So I'm going to teach you about one of our favorite games, Logic Dots. It's a really great deductive reasoning, reading comprehension, following directions, problem-solving task. So what comes in the box, you're going to get a deck of cards that are rectangular shaped. We've laminated ours just to make them last longer, and so we're able to clean them. The orange ones, the ones with the orange back, as opposed to like a white back, are all the solutions. They do say solutions on the bottom. The other side of the card has the number associated with the puzzle. So this is the puzzle number 1. And here's your solution. So, solution cards. It comes with a color code cheat sheet. This game is pretty difficult if you have anybody struggling with some color blindness. And then a quick instructions. It's front and back. That sort of defines some of the terms that we use. So when they're talking about the top and the bottom, this is what they're referring to in terms of the grid, and then left and right, what they view a column and a row, and then how they view between, and then touching. Touching doesn't mean like physically touching, because this is the grid we're going to use, and as you can see, really none of them are touching because there's a little black thing in between them. So to get started, you'll take your little grid piece, and this has like a little clear thing that slides out. Just put that to the side. And then you'll get out all your cubes. So if we were doing puzzle number 1, get out all my cubes. It says we need to start with 3 light blue. So here are my 3 light blue. It says we need 2 green, 1 orange, 2 teal, and then a gold. So, oops, this very last one down here, everything's a little backwards, oops. This last one is gold. You always only have 1 gold one, and it's gold on all sides. These others, you can flip to get the color that you need. So there's gray. And again, if you have difficulty understanding what clues mean or what words they're using, you can always refer and keep your cheat sheet out. Okay, so then what happens is you follow each of these clues. So I always tell my clients they're not in numerical order. So you don't have to do number 1 in order to do number 2. You might have to skip around and go back and forth and modify where you put them in the grid. So for this one, it says the 2 green. This one's going to be kind of confusing because of the camera and flipping. But the clue number 1 says the 2 green cubes are on the left. So this is my left. If you're unsure what they mean, remember you have your cheat sheet. So I like to make them hold that in their memory. I can also put them onto the side. That's one of my strategies that I like. So I remember they're on the left. The 2 teal cubes are at the bottom, so I might put those at the bottom of my grid. The 3 light blue cubes are at the top. I know that there's only 1 place those can all go. And by putting those at the top, I can remember that clue number 1 said the 2 green cubes were on the left. There's only 1 place for those to go now. And then clue number 2 said the 2 teal cubes are on the bottom. There's only 1 place for them to go now. Clue number 4 says the orange cube is on the right. So by process of deduction, I know that the gold cube goes in the middle. Even though the clues don't tell me, by knowing where all of the other ones go, I know exactly where the gold cube is. Level 1 is considered easier, but the cards go up to number 36, and there's clues on the front and the back of these cards. You can always check your answer with your orange solution card. So it's up here. I have 3 blue, I have an orange, a gold, a green, and then my 2 teal at the bottom. So we did it perfect. So yeah, really great deductive reasoning puzzle. It gives the clients a little more an opportunity to manipulate things and figure out different strategies to move and make the clues work.